Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today I have for you Alfy's hair. So what this is basically it's like hair building fibers to help boost up like the look of your hair. That is what this Alfy's can do. So first thing it comes with this kind of hair guide. So like you can put it over here. It's not just like flat per se because hair doesn't grow like that. So you can kind of do it like this and then give it that more like edgy look. Next thing that comes with is their hair fibers. I chose dark brown, but of course whatever color you need. The next thing that it comes with is this Fiber Lock hairspray. We're gonna try all these products on my husband. Enter Oscar. So these are the instructions. Yeah, right here. So make sure that your hair is thoroughly dry before you start. Shake liberally over any thinning areas and make sure to avoid contact with your eyes. So we're gonna make his beard look like it's super, super full. Even though normally when it grows out, it's super full already. There are two patches. You see how it like thins out just slightly, like here and here? So we're gonna make it look really full. All right, do it like this. So you see how that look on straight at, and then turn your face side, and then to the other side. Yeah. All right, continue. And that's all there is to it. Pretty easy here. Next, you want to spray these fibers in place so that because they're kind of like, a little bit all over the place. So that they all lie nice and flat. And there you go. Nice and dapper. This is the new look. Nice. All right, thank you, contestant number one. Obviously, you can see that it works, and that was also super fun to do, too. If you want to check out or learn more about Alfy's hair, check out the link below. And for more product reviews, unboxings, and openings, continue watching, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.